eBay, do not buy them. Kids, don't do this at home.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back to you early morning right now. We're getting ready. We're gonna go drive to Barry's. It's like a 2.5 hour ride. So we're going super early, so it's not 3.5 hours, because it is the weekend. It is Saturday morning, so we're about to head out. Hopefully make it in good timing, and then get these valve seals situated today. And hopefully the car should be good after. Like, I don't see why not. That's kind of the only problem that's happening. Spark plugs keep fouling out. A lot of oil is going through the valve seals, and it is just misfiring, combustion, and all sorts of shit. So
I'm talking hella kids, bitch, you know I move with the elegance.
So, just stopped at Wawa's, needed some drinks, some energy and whatnot. Checked my oil, topped it off last night, and it was at the halfway mark. It was like, had like that much reading. Had to put the whole quart and a little bit left that I had. Hopefully we'll be able to just, you know, make it to Barry's and buy more oil once we get there and all sorts of shit. Check engine light popped on. I made it here to Barry's. Gonna get some work done. Fix this defective seals that my dumbass bought. Gotta let the car cool down a bit. Gotta take off tensioner, the belt, the crank pulley.
HICAP.
See how loose that is?
Yeah.
See how loose it is? Alright, feel the drag on that one. See the difference?
Yeah. You actually could feel the holding difference. Like with the Super Tech ones that I bought from eBay.
Quote unquote.
And
Yeah.
they definitely, dude, those things weren't even holding on.
Yeah, that's a huge
oil,
difference.
Oil is a liquid, so that shit's just gonna run right through.
Yeah, when oil gets hot, it gets thinner. I'm number one.
Always coming in clutch.
Yeah, I felt way more comfortable coming here and getting a leak down test and making sure everything's good and have Barry do his thing, you know, so I don't fuck anything up or lose anything.
Every time y'all video me, I look like a geek and whatnot.
No.
Light on. Tap them down in place.
And I'm constantly learning from my mistakes, so I'm just grateful for someone with expertise to lead me the way.
Kids, don't do this at home.
Especially if you don't know what you're doing. Big shout out to Barry for doing this, man, because
Stand on the races.
Mad Honda Race, let me come correct. Yeah, if I tried doing this myself, I know it would have just been a whole big shit show and it wouldn't be too good. That's all I know.
And I love this tool, man. And this has been a lifesaver.
Man's got all the proper great tools. We did obviously the leak down test, and all four are at 2%. So
We couldn't do it without Mountain Dew.
sponsor us, man. Sponsor us, Mountain Dew. Mine's over here in the corner, you know, safe. Handy dandy seal puller tool.
These things come off cheap.
It's So like you guys seen, testing out, you know, the tension on the seals, and the Super Tech ones are real loose. They don't seem like be, you know, holding grip like the OEM ones do. So
They're actually not Super Tech, they're knockoffs. eBay, do not buy them. Super Techs off of eBay. Go to Super Tech Direct, you might spend a few bucks more, but it'll save you from doing a job like this.
learn it here first, folks, or go OEM, because that's what I just bought. Don't try to save some doll hairs. I don't even know what possessed me to, you know, buy these things, but we did, and we're here now, and we're gonna make it proper. Get in there, man. I think these are the last two left. He has to modify his tool because my intake manifold and this thing's in the way.
Ah!
At the final moments with this, putting on the valve cover and just getting the coil packs and everything else on real quick, but basically done.
How loud will it be?
A little loud.
You guys want to see something awesome? You're not even ready for this. My God. Damn, that compliment's so shiny. How many hours did you put into all this?
28 hours in the valve cover alone, but there's a lot of hours and countless time in this project.
I think it's a beauty.
And she's fully built.
All his cars are fully built.
The only reason why I polished everything, because I bought the billet valve cover and polished it and nothing matched up to it, so I had to polish everything else.
It came out real nice.
Yeah, it was worth it now that it's done.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.